Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to reveal a super easy trick to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer by clearing the RAM cache. If your PC or laptop has been feeling slow lately, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's open the Task Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. Then, go to the Performance section. Here, you can see my cached RAM memory cached. To free up this space, we'll use a tool called RAM Map. It's a Microsoft product, so it's completely safe and very small in size. Just go on browser and search for RAM Map and click on the first link. After that, download it. Once downloaded, it will be in a zip file. Right-click on the zip file. Right-click the file and choose Extract All or Extract Files to extract the program. Locate the rammap.exe file, which is around 662 KB in size. Right-click on rammap.exe and select Run as Administrator. Agree to the terms. A small window will appear. Now let's clear the cache memory. Drag the Task Manager window to the left and the RAM Map window to the right so you can see both. In RAM Map, click on the Empty option at the top left. Select Empty Standby List. You will notice that the cache memory decreases significantly. It's a good idea to keep RAM Map on taskbar. Whenever you notice your cache memory getting too full, simply launch RAM Map and free up some space on your computer. This is the best, easiest, and safest way to clear the RAM cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Hopefully, you find this video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe.